Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Josh Wibskowski with Best Tax Pro. We have the nation's best tax resolution team with over 200 years experience working with the IRS. I ask you to click the like and subscribe buttons below and then enjoy this short and to the point video about how the IRS can close or seize your business if you owe back payroll taxes. Presented by my business partner, former IRS revenue agent Michael Sullivan. Enjoy the video.
My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I was a teaching instructor at IRS. I worked there a decade. Welcome to my YouTube channel. They're short, they're sweet, to the point. They take 3 minutes. I give you enough information to be dangerous. Me and my M&M man gives you a thumbs up for listening today. Today I want to talk to you about, oh, by the way, what I like to do is kind of pull back the curtain and kind of let you know, what the IRS thinks and what they can do. So today I want to talk to you about is if you owe back taxes in 941, can IRS come and lock my business up? Can they close it? The answer is yes. As a former revenue officer, I mean, I have seized, I don't know, I've seized a lot of property, a lot, for business taxes, for 941. Back when I worked at IRS, it was a thing to go out and close businesses up. IRS must file a federal tax lien. IRS must make formal demand to collect to ask for the taxes. So back and then, it was a big newspaper thing to get in the newspaper. Believe it or not, IRS only last year seized a total in the whole United States. They only seized 450 times for everything. Drug cases, termination cases, 941, 1040, and they're usually on egregious things. Continued debt, history of delinquency, all sorts of things. So the odds of IRS coming out and seizing your business are really slim to none, but they can happen, and they will happen if you become or stay a habitual tax delinquent. What does habitual tax delinquent means? You just continue not to file or not to pay. So how do you stop IRS from doing this? Or how would you stop me from going ahead and knocking on the door and saying, I have locks? Literally, you do have locks to lock the business up. You stay current right away. A lot of people owe these back taxes and they don't know, gee, what is IRS going to do? How am I going to survive this? Just stay current. You want to file all your tax. Let's say you haven't paid your taxes for 2 years. So what you want to do is today, you want to start making your 941 tax deposits. Forget the back for the time being. You can work on that later. Just go ahead and stay current and make sure all your tax returns were filed. This way, if somebody like me came out and I'd see the business, I'd say, hey, what's going on? He said, well, Mr. Sullivan, I owed this back tax. I just couldn't pay it. So, but I wanted to do good, so I started making deposits now, and I'm filing and everything's current. And can you help with me on the back taxes? Generally, IRS is going to say yes. So at the end of the day, can IRS close your business? They will close it, and they can close it on egregious cases. But if you just try to get current and do the things you need to do, you don't need to worry, because as a general rule, IRS is going to work with you. If you have a significant 941 issue, you may want to contact us or contact your professional. I want you to know one other thing about 941 taxes and payroll. IRS can come out and set the trust fund penalty up against you, which means you as an individual are going to be responsible for the money you held in trust, and the IRS will broach that and probably set that up. If you like what I'm saying, I've been helpful, please like or ring that little bell for future videos. Leave a comment. The more comments you leave helps me, and I'll get more information out to you about the things you need, and likes are always appreciated. Have a good one, and thank you.